looking for the keys. I'm looking for the keys. So excited. Can't wait to get in the car. Is this your car? Sky, are you sure this is your car? Are you sure this is yours? Oh, maybe it is. Yes, it is. Oh my goodness. Oh, Misty, there's your car. Good girls. These guys got in. Okay, what are we looking for in there? Anything interesting? Anything I need to know about? Nope. Are we ready to go? All right, well, sit down. Sit down so we can really park. Why are they parking? I have no idea. Okay, so you guys hang on to that. Get your seatbelt. Sit. Look at Misty's like, come on, let's go. All right, we are here. There are actually mosquitoes. It's rained so much today and maybe the last couple days. Pretty big ones, I must say. So we're at the park. Gonna get some exercise. I was gonna try and anchor them to a tree. But they're kind of being good. They're just excited. Come on, girls. Yes, I know. I brought a toy. This toy is like hysterical because it's got arms and they just love to like grab arms and rip it apart, which is the favorite thing to do with a toy. It used to be stuffed. It used to have some squeaky stuff in it and it's done. But actually it's better this way now because it's really light. Who wants it? Who wants it? Sky. Sky, look. Let's see if I can get her attention. I don't know. I don't know. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No, she's like really excited. Misty had a chance at it, but nope, they're just really excited to be here. They're just sniffing around, having fun, pulling me like, let's go this way. Let's go that way. Let's see if I can get some good shots. Come on. Come on, Sky. Come on, Sky. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, girls. Let's go, girls. Let's go, girls. Let's go. There they go. Thank God for that bungee leash. Otherwise, I'd be going with them. Especially when they have about 30 feet. By the time they go from one end to the other, it's about 30 feet. So they can actually get some speed going. Come on, girls. Come on. There you go. Come on. You've been stuck inside all day. It's time to run. Come on. There they go. There they go. Come on, girls. Want this yet? She's like, nah, nah. Nah, I'm good. Hi. Hi. Did you have fun? Are you having a good time? Hey, Misty. Misty, what's going on, Misty? All right, Misty girl. Misty got a new collar on? Yes, she does. She does. I hope I don't get bit by mosquitoes again. That was a big mosquito that bit me. It was like in the middle of the field, so I'm not going back in there. Not going back in. Okay. Let's see what they do. I've heard that. What are you eating? Don't eat the sticks. Sky. I've heard that after it rains, things smell so much different. That's why they like it. I don't know for sure, but I've heard that. I think we should go across to the other field and check it out. Get this stick out of your mouth. Come on. Come on, girls. Let's go. Let's go. I have to play hopscotch with my leash because I've got them on like really long leashes right now. trying to hold camera. And there they go. Trying to get them on film. Aw, they're so funny. She's still got the stick in her mouth. Get the stick out of your mouth, Sky. Come on, drop that. Come on, girl. Still holding their water and their toys. They're totally not interested in right now. Oh, poor Misty. Usually I can tie them to like that tree over there and put them on long leashes and let them just run around, which they really love. But there's so many mosquitoes in here from the rain. I don't want to go in there. And they shouldn't really be in there either because it's kind of still wet. So we're kind of hanging out on the outside here. And I'm trying not to lose my keys. If I can. Okay, girls, come on, stop eating things. Stop eating things. Come on, Sky. It is not mealtime. Not mealtime in the grass. Oh God, German shepherds. All right, let's make a right before they start coming. Definitely no on the birds. Leave it. Okay, guys, let's run across the street before a car comes. Come on, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good girls. Good girls. Let's go this way. More grass. Good girls. Leave the birds alone. Leave the birds alone. Come on, leave the birds alone. Leave the birds alone. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Who are you, silly girls? At least it cooled off. You guys want some water? Ooh, there's a chair. It's probably wet. Oh my God, that was a bunny. Yeah, I'm so glad she didn't see that. I bet you there's more. No, don't go that way. I saw a skunk the other day. That would have been bad. Really bad. All right, let's get some water. Come on, we'll get some water. Yes, I know you want some. Yep. There you go. This guy's such a piggy with the water. All right, Missy, I'll get you some in a second. Okay. Let Missy in there so she can have some water too. She have some? Missy's turn. Missy's turn. Misty, come here. Misty, come here. Let's see where they take us. Let the girls decide where they want to go. They need a little free roaming time because they've been cooped in all day. I know there's a bunny around here, so we'll have to make sure they don't find it. Because that would be bad for the bunny. No, come on, let's go this way. You really want to go that way? There's not a lot of sidewalk. Let's go this way. There's no cars this way. There you go. Good girls. Gotta put this whistle away, that's what you're hearing. Keeps banging up against my leash. They were so patient today. Good girls. There you are. You just need lots of space. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. In go. Good girls. Good girls. Why is there a jacket on? Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Yes. Good girls. You're just checking everybody out. Come on. Come on, girls. Sidewalk, yay. We're gonna go back this way. Oh, you wanna walk across and go to the logs? Let's go see. The logs too far? I don't think they are. I think they're right here. Let's go across and go to the logs. All right, so we're here. Can we jump over the logs? No digging. And no dogs. Oh, Lord. All right, girls, don't get involved in that. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Over here, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Yes, definitely don't play with the small dogs. Definitely don't play. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good girls. Come on. Yes. I know. Come on. Oh, this is the toy now. She wants the toy now. Grabbed a mouthful of dirt. Y'all, why do they do that? I don't understand. I don't understand why they eat dirt. Makes no sense at all. What's this guy doing? Guy? What are you doing? Stop screwing with my leash. Stop it. Here. Here. Ready? Go get it. Misty got it. Misty got it. Here, come here. Come here. Come here. Don't mess with the leash. Don't mess with the leash. Let's get out of the grass. All right, so we walk home. You guys look tired. I think we'll go home. All right, well, that's about it for today. They are no longer interested in play. It should be a pretty easy walk home now with a lot less mischief and pulling. Walking around in circles. Every time they walk around in circles, they get it all tangled. All right, come on, Sky. Come on, girl. Come on, Sky. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Sky. Good girls. Okay, say goodbye to Park until another day in Canada, or as I like to call it, Huskyville, Canada. The end of a very nice, long day at the park. Huskies are very, very tired. Oh, you guys did so well. You did. Now it's time to go sleepy pie, huh? Aw, she's so cute when she sleeps. There she is. Night, Misty. Good night, Sky.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.